What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to increase or decrease the ringtone volume sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, click on ringtone. Now from here you can select any ringtone, and after selecting the ringtone, if you want to decrease the ringtone volume, then drag this slider to the left side, and if you want to increase the ringtone volume, then drag this slider to the right side. So with this slider you can increase or decrease the ringtone volume sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.